Hey there, Tom Romeo from PCS. I'm here to show you a few new things we did to Traverse and a few things I'd like to point out. So if you have installed the server certificate to use SSL for Traverse, you must use HTTPS when signing on to Traverse, and then you see the little lock. However, if you were using HTTP, HTTP, you get a forbidden access denied message because you are now supposed to use HTTPS. All you have to do is switch it and log right in. Oops. Now I'm going to show you a few other new things we did to Traverse to make it, faster, better. So from the quick add page, I'm going to just add a new ID. This is a test. I'm going to put it in a location, save it, and now, okay. So I had it set to automatically print, but you see how now this box is down below. Now I could clear the box, but I don't need to. If I want to create a new asset, all I do is click clear screen and create a new asset. So that's one thing. The other thing that we did that is pretty cool is from the Add Edit Assets page, I'm just going to look one up. It doesn't matter which one it is. I'm going to click Move. And now I'm going to scan a location. I'm going to scan the main location. Boom. It automatically moved it, and also we moved this box down below so it doesn't obstruct your buttons. And now the asset is moved. If I show the history, there's the move transaction. So by scanning once the focus is here in this box, by scanning, the enter actually executed the move transaction. So that's it. Now, if you're upgrading Traverse, and this is the first time you're going to see these new features, what you need to do is hold down the Control key and hit the F5 key. And that's it. And now the new JavaScript is loaded on the page, and you're all set, ready to go.